Good morning! We are going to make a couple of very simple, amazing, delicious recipes for breakfast. An amazing way to start the day. We're going to blend some fruit. Now you can definitely use whatever fruit is your favorite. So the concept being that when you make a delicious fruit smoothie or a slurry, then you blend it in with the chia seeds, it's phenomenal. Mango works really well, banana. Today we're going to do strawberry. And so for our liquid base, we're going to just use about 3/4 of a cup of almond milk. Again, the ratio of chia seed to liquid is up to you. If you like it to be a thicker, more dense pudding, then you'll use less milk. And if you like it a little smooth and a little more runny, you'll use more. So we're going to just dump our strawberries into the blender with a little bit of maple syrup. Again, you can use whatever sweetener you like. We are going to add a little bit of vanilla powder and some reishi mushroom and some sea salt. Okay, now we're just going to quickly blend that up. 1, 2, 3. Okay, super fast, very simple. Gonna add our nut milk. Okay, give it a zip. Okay, so you have your berries and your milk, you have your chia seeds. You don't have to blend your chia seeds, you're just gonna now let them sit and they will bloat up and they will taste delicious. Give this a stir. Again, you could have dumped this whole thing into a mason jar, give it a good shake, and then you're off and ready to go. So we're gonna let this sit for about 20 minutes and I'm gonna show you how delicious and what this looks like. I'll be right back. We are back. We have our delicious strawberry chia pudding, and you can go ahead and have it cold. I have these set and ready to go, and I just garnished it with a little bit of banana. So, feel free to do whatever you like. I love banana in my chia pudding. And then if you want, you can even sprinkle it with a little bit of cinnamon. And those are delicious to serve, even if you're having some company for brunch. So now what we're going to do is take the strawberry, and I'm just going to show you how we can just quickly warm it up. So just put it into your saucepan, give it a few minutes, just until it's warm. Really, it only takes anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes. So we're going to let this go. And this is great in the winter. You can make a bunch of these and leave them in the refrigerator. They'll bloat up beautifully. And then in the morning, go ahead and just dump it straight into a bowl and you have a delicious, healthful, omega-3 rich, fantastic breakfast. And the kids like it too. So that's it. This is about 5 minutes. It's gotten nice and thick. It smells delicious. And there you have it. It's really beautiful. It smells like strawberry shortcake. So you can, serve it with whatever fruit you like. I love banana. So just going to garnish it with a little banana. It's really delicious. And then just put a little piece of strawberry if you want on top. And if you like cinnamon, you can go ahead and sprinkle it with a little bit of cinnamon. And there you go. So you can have them cold, you can have them hot. You could build them in a mason jar and take them on the go. Very simple and very easy.